So the next song we're going to play is, it's from a folklore, basically, I guess. His name was Pecos. And I don't know how many people here know Pecos, but he was quite something back in the day, so they say. Yeah, he was a famous cowboy. Roy Rodgers used to sing a song about Pecos, so we're going to do that for you now. I hope you enjoy it. Just get set here. Pecosville was quite a cowboy down in Texas, and a western superman to say the least. He was the roughest, toughest critter, never known to be a quitter, but he never had a fear of man or beast. So yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo, for the toughest critter west of the Alamo. Once he roped a raging cyclone out of nowhere, then he straddled it and settled down with ease. And while the cyclone bucked and flitted, Pecos rolled the smoke and lit it, and he tamed that ornery wind down to a breeze. Once there was a drought that spread all over Texas, so to sunny California he did go. And though the guy is kind of party, he brought rain from California. That's the way we got the Gulf of Mexico. So yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo, for the toughest critter west of the Alamo. Once a band of demons stole a herd of cattle, but they didn't know the herder they stole his bills. And when he caught their crooked villains, Pecos knocked out all their feelings. That's the reason why there's gold in their hills. So yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo, for the toughest critter west of the Alamo. Oh, Pecos lost his way while traveling through the desert. It was 90 miles across the burning sand. He knew he'd never reach the border if he didn't get some water. That's the way we got the Gulf of Mexico. While reclining on a cloud high over Texas, with his guns he made the stars he let hurl. Then Pecos saw the stars declining, so he left one brightly shining. That's the emblem of the Lone Star Texas State. So yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo, for the toughest critter west of the Alamo. Thank you so much. We are really enjoying ourselves up here. It is nice and cool. It's perfect weather for bluegrass. Then again, every weather is perfect for bluegrass, in my opinion. So, this is a tune called Cry, Cry, Darlin' from the father of bluegrass. His name was Bill Monroe, from Kentucky. And we hope you enjoy it. That's what I'll do. Thank you. I want to introduce who's playing up here now. Like I said, when I started, some of y'all wasn't here, but we are from the U.S. Army Band, Fort Myer, Virginia, just across the way from D.C. Yep, Fort Myer bands, or band bands. Yeah, music. Over here to my left, we've got Staff Sergeant Michael Kramer. He plays. Yep. I don't want to tell you what he plays because he plays everything, so it would take me all day to tell you what he plays, but he plays everything really well. He plays jazz guitar and mandolin, banjo, and so forth. We're so glad to have him. And on my left again we have Sergeant First Class Marlisa Woods on a beautiful violin. And she's actually playing the fiddle. I should tell you that a lot of people ask me what's the difference between a violin and a fiddle. And so here's the difference, so you can tell people. A violin uses strings, and a fiddle uses strings. So that's the difference. To my right here, we've got Master Sergeant Michael Ford. He's the high tenor voice we've got here, beautiful voice. And he is from Tennessee. So, and behind him we have our great bass player, Staff Sergeant Eric Seay, also from Tennessee. And I'm Sergeant First Class Dean Woods, and we're glad to be here with you. We've got a tune now that's a waltz, a fiddle waltz. So get out your tissues and handkerchiefs because it's really beautiful. She does a really great job. It's called Westphalia Waltz. Here's a famous tune that I heard growing up, just probably because of where I grew up, but it's called Mountain Dew, and it's really, we have a lot of fun singing it.
Oh, they call it that good Mountain Dew. coming in.
This is a song about a horse. And Tennessee, yeah. Eric quickly reminded me it's also about Tennessee. I don't know what it is. It's our Tennessee theme today. I didn't even realize that. So,
I'm a Tennessee theme every day. How about you?
So, in honor of the horses that are here, I guess we could dedicate it to them. Right?
I saw them earlier.
Magic and Dart.
Magic and Dart. That's the horse's name. Okay. Well, Magic and Dart. This is for you.
You speak horse? I speak horse.
You speak horse? I didn't know that. Well, learn something concerning every day. Right, this tune is called Tennessee Stud. Alive. I never would have got through the Arkansas mud if I hadn't been riding on the Tennessee Stud. I had some trouble with my sweetheart's paw. One of her brothers was a bad outlaw. I sent her a letter by my Uncle Bud and I rode away on the Tennessee Stud. The Tennessee Stud was long and lean, the color of the sun, and his eyes were green. He had the nerve and he had the blood, and never was a horse like the Tennessee Stud. We drifted on down into no man's land, across that river called the Rio Grande. I raced my horse with the Spaniard's foal till I got me a skin full of silver and gold. Me and the gambler, we couldn't agree. We got in a fight over Tennessee. We jerked our guns and he fell with the thud, and I rode away on the Tennessee Stud. Tennessee Stud was long and lean, color of the sun, and his eyes were green. He had the nerve and he had the blood, and there never was a horse like the Tennessee Stud. I got so lonesome as a man can be, dreaming of my girl in Tennessee. The Tennessee Stud's green eyes turned blue, cause he was a-dreaming of a sweetheart too. We looked on back into Arkansas, I whooped her brother and I whooped her paw. I found that girl with the golden hair, and she was riding on a Tennessee mare. Whoa, whoa. The Tennessee Stud was long and lean, the color of the sun, and his eyes were green. He had the nerve and he had the blood, and there was a horse like the Tennessee Stud. Stirrup to stirrup and side by side, across those mountains and the valleys wide. We came to big muddy, then we poured in the blood on the Tennessee Bear and the Tennessee Stud. A pretty little baby on the cabin floor, a little house coat laying round the door. I love that girl with the golden hair, and the Tennessee Stud loves the Tennessee mare. The Tennessee Stud was long and lean, the color of the sun, and his eyes were green. He had the nerve and he had the blood, and never was a horse like the Tennessee Stud. Thank you. Right, this is a change of pace here. This is a love song. There's lots of silly titles, you know, for country songs. I remember one that was called "Don't Hit Your Grandma with a Great Big Stick." That was the name of the song.
That would be right.
That's the name of the song. Just saying. Another one was called "I'm So Miserable Without You, It's Like Having You Here."
Yeah.
Let's see, I remember one that's called "Take Me Out to the Cornfields, Honey, I'll Kiss You Between the Ears." Because the mouth is in between the ears, and it's the ear.
Yep.
So this is a love song from husband to wife. So husbands, grab your wife's clothes here, take them in, and the song is to them, okay? You ask me if I love you, and if my love is true. Well, darling, if I were a rich man, here's what I would do. I'd buy you a diamond ring and a new fur coat or two. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. I'd buy you a Cadillac and a new Mercedes too. I built you a mansion up on that mountain top. I wish my nose was running money, but honey, it's not. It's a booger of a problem I've got. I wish my nose was running money, but it's not. I'd buy you a diamond ring and a new fur coat or two. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. If my nose was running money, we have anything we please. Why, honey, anytime we needed cash, all I'd have to do is sneeze. Honey, we'd win the lottery if I had the cold or the flu. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. It's a booger of a problem I've got. I wish my nose was running money, but it's not. I'd buy you a diamond ring and a new fur coat or two. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. If my nose was running money, I'd blow it all on you. Lange says you should pay your dullest toll
That's it, right bucket.
and sneezes.
He's changed.
Here's a tune that I actually heard. So this next tune we're going to play is one that I heard. Any Andy Griffith Show fans? You know I am. Yeah. So I grew up watching that show. I've probably seen all of them. It never gets old. You know, it's like every episode is the first time we've ever seen it. But there was a band that came on the Andy Griffith Show called the Darlins. And anyway, they were on the show one time, and this is a song that was on the show, and I just remembered it from my childhood. We're going to do that now for you. It's called There Is a Time, and Sergeant First Class Marlisa Woods is going to sing it for you.
Time for love.
This is a really famous banjo tune. It's called Foggy Mountain Breakdown. I should mention that Michael Kramer over here just started playing banjo. How long ago? Like yesterday. But yeah, big hand for Michael Kramer. He was a jazz guy, jazz guitar guy, and I said, Michael, we need a banjo player. And he's like, oh cool, I'll do it. So,
And we got to give them one.
but you would never know, because he sounds amazing. This is a tune that I liked it first time I heard it. It's about a boy in the army. His name is Billy. It's called Billy Overcame His Size. Billy never made the football team, 'cause Billy's size was small. Billy's brother was a mighty lad, he played a lot of high school ball. And Billy's daddy never favored him, he catered to the bigger guys. But later on, in a bigger way, Billy overcame his size. Years flew by, and Billy grew, but he never got very tall. We called him Shorty, but he never got mad. He just didn't seem to mind at all. And we paid no mind when he fell in line and left with the other guys. And the sergeant laughed at his skinny frame, but Billy overcame his size. brother Bill put pride in his daddy's eyes. When he died to save those other men, Billy overcame his size. Billy overcame his size. Yeah, Billy overcame his size. When he died to save those other men, Billy overcame his size. It's hard to sing that one without crying a little bit. Can't sing when you cry, I'm just telling you. You ever tried it, it's impossible. I'd like to do another fiddle tune here with Marlisa Woods. This waltz is called Okpik Waltz. I don't know what Okpik means, but it's a pretty tune anyway. We like it. Now this one's really famous. I think this was the #1 country, may have been the #1 song back in maybe the 70s, I want to say. This is a tune by Marty Robbins. It's called El Paso. This town of El Paso, I fell in love with a Mexican girl. than a heartbeat. The handsome young stranger lay dead on the floor. Just for a moment I stood there in silence, shocked by the foul evil deed I had done. Many thoughts raced through my mind as I stood there. I had but one chance, and that was to run. Out through the back door of roses I ran, out where the horses were tied. I caught a good one, it looked like it could run, up on its back and away I did ride. Just as fast as I could from the West Texas town of El Paso, out through the badlands of New Mexico. Back in El Paso, my life would be worthless. Everything's gone and like nothing's left. It's been so long since I've seen the young maiden. My love is stronger than my fear of death. I saddled up and away I did go, riding alone in the dark. Maybe tomorrow a bullet may find me. Tonight nothing's worse than this pain in my heart. And at last here I am on the hill overlooking El Paso. I can see Rose's cantina below. All to my right I see 5 mounted cowboys. All to my left ride a dozen or more. Shouting and shooting, I can't let them catch me. I've got to make it to Rose's back door. Something is dreadfully wrong, for I feel a deep burning pain in my side. It's getting harder to stay in the saddle. I'm getting weary, unable to ride. But my love for Felina is strong, and I rise where I've fallen. Though I am weary, I can't stop to rest. I see the white puff of smoke from the rifle. I feel the bullet go deep in my chest. From out of nowhere, Felina has found me, kissing my cheek as she is by my side. Cradled by 2 loving arms that I die for, one little kiss and Felina goodbye. We've got 2 more songs we're going to do for you, and another Tennessee theme. This is Tennessee Waltz. Master Sergeant Michael Ford here is going to sing you the Tennessee Waltz. This is a really famous waltz too, at least where I live. We hope you enjoy it. is, we like doing it. It's really fun. It's called Ghost Riders. Ghost Riders in the Sky. USArmyBand.com, and we hope you leave, there's a section to leave comments too. We hope you leave comments about how much you enjoyed this performance. Thank you so much.